Yo, my people.
Bish bosh bang.
Where are we? ANCOATS car sales, yeah? You know what that means. I'm giving away too much already, yeah? And I've been trying to keep this under wraps for absolutely weeks. Yeah? Weeks. Probably a couple of months.
Could be.
Yeah, it's been a while. I shouted my friend, come here, bro.
Yo!
I shouted my friend, yeah? This sounds like my brother. I shouted my brother a couple of months ago and I was like, listen, bro, I need one of these cars, yeah? We drove one a little while back and I thought, you know what? There's a lot of potential with this. Nah, are you mad? Come on, yeah? I need to get one of these for the channel. Yeah, so I shouted him, I said, bro, we want one of these, yeah? Fast forward a week or two, he sourced us one, yeah? We signed the deal. I'm saying this car's been put away for at least a month, if not longer, yeah? I'm saying too much, aren't I? Oh, put it after me then, I was gonna say I've been driving, yeah?
We've been busy with the GTI,
We've been busy,
bro.
and I thought, you know what? We can't let this car take the shine away from the GTI, because technically it's gonna, yeah? This car is easily the most requested car we get asked to feature, to get, to purchase. So you know what? We bit the bullet, we done it. I shouted Omar, he sourced us one. Omar?
Yo, as you already know, ANCOATS car sales, you move quality. MSP 0161 number 1.
Nah, are you mad? Come on, yeah? I need to get one of these for the channel. Yeah, I needed them on 40. I need one more time, G. One more time. Yo, yeah, M140, hands down the most requested vehicle on our channel, whether that be for a feature or for us to own one, yeah? We drove one of these on the channel a few weeks back, Jumbo. Yeah, 0161's what? 0161's number 1. Are you mad? I rang Omar up off camera, I said, Omar, listen, we need an M140, yeah? Fast forward, what, 3 weeks, 4 weeks?
About, yeah, just short of 4 weeks.
Yeah, a few weeks anyway, I can't even remember. We rang him a few weeks ago. He's come through. Talk to them, bro.
You know what? MSV, my man, 0161, number 1. As you already know, my man rang me. Omar, I need one of these. Guess what? I produce it.
As always.
Not just a standard one. It's got something special in it.
Giving him too much already, bro.
Right,
now tell him,
Tell him, yeah.
Tell him.
It's got red diff on it. You know what? It's not a cheap one. It don't come standard. I've just saved my man about 2.5 grand there.
Yeah. So listen, like you just said to you there, yeah, M140, but you know what the deal breaker was on this car? Yeah, it's got an M performance rear diff. Anyone that knows about these cars, yeah, anyone that's got an M140 or drives them knows these cars they need a diff, yeah? So my source was one with a diff. It's a no-brainer. We're already saving dough, yeah? Believe you me, you've seen how we've gone on with the GTI. We don't cut,
we don't cut corners.
We don't cut corners. Yeah, it's right angles only. Yeah, we don't cut corners, yeah? So I'm telling you now, you already know what we're doing with this. Yeah, it's going to space. But the problem I've got now is I don't know what angle to take with it. Is it gonna be a drag car? We don't need a track car. Me personally, I'm thinking right now off the top of my head, just have it as an absolute, just Aggie whip G. 800-ish bhp, rear wheel drive, just sliding in everywhere, bro. You get me sliding into the DMs like, yo. I'm telling you now, yeah, we've been hiding this from UZOP for weeks. Probably a couple of months easily.
I've nearly slipped up. You've nearly slipped up.
We both have, yeah. The end is to contact or in the group chat, yeah, MSB, I had to mute this. Like, bro, I didn't realize I said that. Because to us, the car's here, it's ours. But we kept it quiet. And like I said, we didn't want to take away the shine from the GTI, which it would have done. So you know what's mad though, yeah? And I'm not one of yous got onto this. Not one of yous, yeah? We put a reel out on this on our Instagram weeks ago. In this, having it up, yeah, on a mad one.
No one had a clue.
And not one of you's gone, yo, MSB's at your new car. Well, you know what? It is. Yeah, it is. Big up Omar, ANCOATS car sales. Big up the cameraman, each and every Russ Clark, blood clot time. Yeah, trust me. And it's time to finally show them the M140, bro.
M140i.
M140?
M140, big M140, rear diff, slidey central. It's time to send this thing to space. Yeah.
Oh.
And you know, one other thing, what I do like about it as well, G, What's your thoughts on the wheel though, bro?
The wheel's hard, bro.
I'm a bit iffy about it. I'm a bit...
All this digitalness.
I'm a bit iffy about that. That might have to go back to stock, I'm not gonna lie. Other than that though, the diff can stay on the car. You get me? But that is a bit... What do you think, people? Get in the comments, let man know.
What are we saying? Do we get rid of the steering wheel or not? Yes, no, yes, no.
Innit? Yes or no? But listen, Omar, it's been a pleasure again. Even though we concluded the deal weeks ago. Yeah.
That's how we do it. Uncle, we're the best.
Let's go. Yeah. And on that one there, let's do this.
And it's another one. Another one sold.
We sell them like.
We sell them like chicken.
We eat them like the
real chicken.
Do you know what I think we've got as well, bro?
What?
I swear we've already shot an episode in this, bro.
We've got bits of footage.
Yeah, just slap it in.
Slap it in.
Should we slap it in?
Cute, slap it in, let them see it. Cue some cinematics. Do what we gotta do. I'm gonna go and eat some chicken out with Omar. And Mr. You come in?
We're rolling.
Let's go. M140.
Roll,
yeah.
you know.
Big MS Ross Clark B. Yeah. This
car's hot, bro.
Let's go. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
We are warming. Now we're talking.
My days.
Now we're talking.
Wowzers.
Yeah.
Wowzers. Bad.
Warms in.
Bad.
You get me?
Bad.
Warms in.
Bad.
You know what the maddest thing is?
Oh, the way the car went on them bumps, like,
Do you know what's mad though, G? I've seen a few man recently say that MSB's getting a bit softer. He's watering himself down. Are you mad? Listen, man's growing with the channel. You grow with the channel. You couldn't go Asbo for so long, but every now and again we get our passports. We catch a flight. We hit Mexico, don't we, bro?
Standard.
And we get active, bro.
Standard procedure.
Standard. In this lobby, mate. What was he playing at?
Cold, G. Cold. Absolutely naughty.
Yo, man, it's like this is gonna roll in launch then in second gear. F off. Nasty.
Having it up, bro. Bro, I'm not seeing that clean re-entry in that, bro. So where have you learned that?
Come on, G. Man's out here practicing it up, G. You fucking mad.
Bad.
Nasty. That was nice.
That was nice, bro.
That was nice,
That's
G.
some Colin McRae rally shit, bro. Control, G. Control, G.
Come on, G. How'd you get some shit on your phone?
Bro, I'm getting furious.
Bro, you see behind us here? We're just lighting up the street, you know. Watch this. Watch this. Jay?
Bad, bro. Have so much fun in these whips, bro. Oh my days,
Bro! Yeah. First, second, and third, just held it, G.
Just yeah.
That was sick. That was
Not done
sick.
that before, bro.
Yeah,
That was sick,
G.
bro.
Fourth, coming into fourth, G.
Yo.
These tyres are done. These tyres are gonna be done.
I can hear him going.
Yeah. What should we do? Coco.
Yeah, keep it.
I feel wankers, G. We should have done is took the plates off before we sat out. Bro, I wish we had his camera. You see him then? Bro, the guy must have thought it was the man, G. Oh my days. I went like that, I was laughing at him. Tires are done.
Oh no.
What?
Oh, still a full tyre that, bro.
That's the outside.
Oh my days, yeah. Oh my days, bro.
Yeah. So there you have it. Yeah. M140. Yeah. I never ever expected myself to get one of these cars. Yeah. I promise you now though, out of every 10 car recommendations we get, MSB get one of these, MSB get one of these, at least 7 out of the 10 say M140. Am I gassing, bro?
Nah, you're not gassing.
Everyone is mad for the M140. The B58 platform is mental. So you know what? If you can't beat them, join them.
0161 whipper. Top one, I ain't no capper. I'm a jammer. Big whips like Schumacher. But you know man's got melanin, so they call man Michael Schublacker.
Lightweight, I do the dash, that's minor. 0161 driver, swear down nobody can't test my road or trap, fam, we can do either. When them man do talk and we do talk, we mean it different.